Horses for the 10th Club Don Juan de Manila Derby Race. We've got number 2, that's Lord of War, fast to begin, and on the outside 30-30. Magna Carta in third, and on the inside Doña Nenita. Racing in fifth, High Voltage, Born Tycoon, Boss G comes next. Senora Nenita, Kiran's Champ, Hari ng Yambo, third last. Second last is No and Chismosa is the early trailer. Down to the finish for the first time, we have Lord of War, the leader by Oralenka and Hapa. And in second position is 30-30. Magna Carta is racing in third. Down on the inside, fourth comes Doña Nenita. High Voltage in fifth. Born Tycoon remains in sixth. And in seventh is Boss G, Hari ng Yambo, Kiran's Champ. Then followed by Senora Nenita, No and Chismosa trails the field by about 18 to 19 lengths up the pace. Meanwhile, it's still Lord of War by Oralenka. Down on the inside, second is 30-30. Then here comes Magna Carta. Now trying to get closer in third. High Voltage now in fourth. Then followed by Doña Nenita in fifth. Born Tycoon in sixth. The seventh position, Hari ng Yambo, Boss G. Down on the inside is Senora Nenita, Kiran's Champ, Chismosa, and No. Now racing in last. The stage is set with 600 to go. And it's still Lord of War, Magna Carta. Now moving up on the outside. It's now Magna Carta. Lord of War is running by the second. And in third, High Voltage. Born Tycoon is racing in fourth. Hari ng Yambo. As the fields turn for home, it's now Magna Carta. Now it rides away by about 3 lengths. Lord of War in second. High Voltage moving up. Hari ng Yambo, Chismosa. Last 75 meters. The 10th Club Don Juan de Manila Derby Race belongs to Magna Carta. Second, Chismosa, Hari ng Yambo. Then comes High Voltage, Born Tycoon, and Lord of War.
10-2? 10-2? 10-2 or 2-10, no? 5-13-7.